My role is to pretty much bring the car to life from virtual reality into the real world. Whilst developing the car through the season, the department will do about 2,000 simulations per month, which is about 20,000 simulations over the whole year. My name is Daniel Marshall and I'm a Senior Design Engineer in Aerodynamics for Sahara Force India. A typical day for me would be planning and designing the wind tunnel projects with the aerodynamicists. So wind tunnel testing is still definitely a massive factor in developing a competitive race car in Formula One. We take about 300 test parts per week to the wind tunnel in Germany, so every year that accounts to around 15,000 parts. The quickest I've ever designed a part for a race car had a request from aerodynamicists. It took me 20 minutes to design the part, the information was sent out to the track, the part was made at the track, that takes about half an hour, and then it'd be being tested later that day, so one day really. The biggest change for the 2017 season was the regulation for the aerodynamics and the bodywork. We've got about 20% more area now compared to last year, which means we can provide more downforce, more load, help the car stick to the racetrack, corner faster and decrease lap times. At the end of the season, when the race teams are basically packing up and you won't see any track action again until February, it's probably the busiest time of year for the design teams because we're fully focused on designing and manufacturing the launch car for next year to its maximum potential, basically. The car for next season will pretty much be an evolution of this year's race car, predominantly because the regulations haven't changed very much, apart from the introduction of the driver safety halo. For future cars, I think I'd like to see them become a bit prettier. I absolutely love the pink livery. I think it's great that we stand out.